in our food app, my part is auth service. In the auth service, there is a node modules, Docker file package.json, package.json like is required dependency. When moving to the middleware folder, there is auth middleware and upload.middleware. In auth middleware, there is a JW token facility for security purposes using, and there is a beer header facility. This is and there's admin token and user token used for login user accounts in this file. Also, there is a check role. According to the role, user can log to their profile, and also there is a special role for admin. When moving to the model file, this is the model file. It collect the required user details, and according to the role-based access system control through this these things, the help this role help to the role-based access system. There is customer, restaurant admin and delivery person, and also phone number, like special required things, and also compare password and special security facility, bring facilitate the plain text password compared to the bricket type. When moving to the auth route, there is a lot of route. This is register route, and moving to the below, there is a login route. This one, and moving to the below, this is the profile, special profile showing code. This one help to the restaurant admin to update the restaurant ID, and move into the below. This help to use internal service for user IDs, and admin can get user management according to it, deactivate and activate, and change the role facility there is. And this is I mentioned activate and deactivate is activity flag, you can see. And we'll move into the this is index.jx file, and move into the this is the environmental variable for the auth service. There is a separate database. This is the database link, and there is a jw token facility. This is the package json and the package location, and this is the docker file which need to
I designed the restaurant service as a microservice running on port 3001. So this is how I build it. First I create the server setup in index.js. This is the code file. I set up the Express server with proper middleware for handling JSON data and calls. I also implemented environment variable support for configuration. For the data model, I create the restaurant model.js. This is the code file. I designed the schema to handle everything from basic restaurant information to complex features like geographic coordinates and menu items. I implemented the comprehensive API endpoints in restaurantroute.js. Here's the one of the key endpoint. This endpoint ensures customer only see available and approved restaurants only. So show some endpoints. This is add new restaurant endpoint, and this is update restaurant endpoint, and this is set a restaurant availability endpoint, and this is add menu item endpoint, and this is update menu item endpoint, and this is delete menu item endpoint. This is get all restaurant endpoint. For restaurant management, I create the endpoints For restaurant admin, this is I created endpoint, and also I containerized the service using Docker. This is the Docker Compose file. So now let me explain the front-end implementation. I built it using React and Vue. So first, the restaurant listening page in restaurant JSX. This is the file. So I implemented real-time updates and proper error handling. For menu management, I created restaurant menu.jsx. So this provides the beautiful responsive grid layout for menu items. For restaurant profile management, I create restaurant details.jsx. This handles image uploads with proper validation and preview. For order management, I create restaurant order.jsx. This provides the comprehensive order management with proper security checks. So I integrated everything in app.jsx. This is ensure proper routing and role-based access control. For the state management, I used a combination of approaches. So this is my complete restaurant service part.
Right, I'm I'm the one responsible for implementing the order service component. So in here I have these models. I have implemented the cart item schema and the cart schema, and the order under the order. I have implemented the order item schema and the order schema. So the user IDs and restaurant ID and restaurant names and the generalized information is stored within the order schema, and payment model is also there. When an order is created, the order ID and the restaurant ID, user ID, and total amount is stored within the payment schema. So these are the route files that I have created for the order service module. So in here we can get the cart and we can add the items for this from this function, and some validation parts is also there, and the updating part of the cart and the removing items from the cart is also here, and the clearing the cart after the payment. And so we can get the item count by this API endpoint, and then order routes are there. In here we are getting the items that are in the cart from the to create a order, and then right after that we can get the user order. In the page we have to show the particular orders that the customer has made, and we can get the orders by id, and get the restaurant orders in the restaurant page, and those kinds of the update the order status. Likewise, those kinds of things are included in the order routes.js file. And the payment routes, when the order is created and the intent is created after the correct payment information is included, then the payment intent is created. Then right after that, the payment after the payment intent, we are storing the data on the payment schema. So those are the things that we are storing the payment schema. And also for the notification service, I have these files. Starting with the get user email, we are getting the user email and the restaurant email. And under the email service, this is the format that I'm using to send the emails for the customers. And inside this also, we have the phone helpers to get the restaurant phone and the user phone. And then under this to under the confirmation mails, we send the SMS as well. And also we are sending SMS and emails when the order status is changed. When it comes to the front end design, I have designed the orders page. Under the orders page, the customers can browse for the restaurants, and the particular restaurant page is shown for the customers. Then they are redirected for the when they select the items that they are going to buy. Then they are redirected for the cart.jsx file, and the cart.jsx file, they can find the items that they have added for the cart, and then they can remove, delete, and clear the cart as well. And in the components, the stripe payment jx file is also implemented, that is rendered inside this cart.jx file. So that's all in the order service microservice.
I'm responsible for developing delivery services in this food delivery app as microservice. So in that file, I have initialized the delivery service in the port 3004 as a Docker file also. So I have all take as an image for the delivery service, and after that container to the whole system. So in this port 3004 connected to the delivery services, and it will connect take it will connected to central API gateway. And there is many folders for the initialization server part. I have done the initialize in the index.js file, and after that the all the implementation part, all the model is somewhat the delivery agent schema is looks like this, and after that the all the implementation part is done by this delivery route part. And in this delivery part there are many services as update the status and available orders, and update the location. And to fetch the available orders, I have done the special function as taking the calculation the distance, as taking the longitude and latitude of the delivery agent and the restaurant locations. So and this will shows only the orders, only the available orders to the user, and my deliveries and my delivery orders are also after the completing those orders can view all the details. And orders id accept, this is after accept the order, this will change to the out for delivery orders state changes to out for delivery. And in the end of this file, I have implemented the email and the notification part. So in the restaurant in the SMS and the email notification part, SMS is after accepting the order by delivery agent, it will send to the SMS to the user. Because of the account limitation of the TVLO, I have implement only the one number, only the one time to send the message to the user. And email is there are two kind of emails. Once they accept of the of, of the order by the agent, it will send a message to the delivery agent and the customer as well. And after completing the order, also notified by the user of the order that have completed successfully. In front end part, there is one component for the delivery agent part, and get other component support to implement all the delivery agent implementation successful. So in the this will shows always connecting with the API gateway, and this will shows the fetching tracking data of the user as well as the order. And in the delivery dashboard is a main page that shows the all functionalities in the delivery services. And this is shows always connecting with the API gateway and connect all other services as well through the API gateway. And this is shows the map and the activation part, and the fetch status, and completed deliveries and all the things. And in the order.jsx, it's not what I am responsible for developing, but in I have created a small modification for the order.jsx, because it is somewhat responsible for delivery services, the order tracking part. Once the delivery agent accept the order, user can track the order and view the order details and delivery agent details and real-time tracking. So I have get that component support to the order service. And
This is the uh, order tracking details. Shows the all details um, of the order and as well as the delivery agent supports. So that's what I'm responsible, and this connects all the AppJSS file to consider in the one setup, and in the Docker file, Docker compose YAML file, I have integrated the delivery agent delivery service, and it completed with the one single container to the completed Docker file. Thank you.